In today's video, we'll be discussing the medical terms used in the context of medical advice and treatments. While some of these terms may sound technical, it's essential to understand their literal meaning and definition to provide accurate information to our viewers. First, let's talk about cardio. In the context of medical advice, cardio refers to heart-related issues. This can include discussing the condition of your heart, managing your heart health, or treating any heart-related problems. Next, let's discuss angina. Angina pectoris, also known as chest pain due to ischemia, is a medical term describing the discomfort or pain that a person experiences when their heart isn't getting enough oxygen. This can be caused by a narrowing or blockage in the arteries that supply blood to the heart. Another term you'll often hear is hypertension. This refers to high blood pressure, which can cause long-term damage to your heart, brain, and other organs. To manage hypertension, it's crucial to understand that lifestyle changes, such as maintaining a healthy diet and regular exercise, can significantly impact your blood pressure levels. Lastly, but definitely not least, we're going to discuss dyslipidemia. This is a medical term referring to the abnormalities of lipids, specifically cholesterol and triglycerides, in the blood. Maintaining a balanced diet and monitoring your lipids can help manage dyslipidemia and reduce the risk of heart disease. We hope you found this brief discussion on medical terms helpful. Remember, it's essential to educate yourself on these terms and provide accurate information to your viewers. Let us know if you have any questions or if you'd like to see more videos like this. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.